Hi everybody, this is just a quick video to let you know about some exciting new features coming to Ice Coach Online.
So, we are still going to be releasing free content for everyone to enjoy, but we're excited to announce 2 new ways that you can take your skating to the next level.
So we have a new join option which is located next to the subscribe button below. What this joining our channel means for you is that you're going to have some access to some cool new perks. Perks such as, number 1, you will receive your very own unique badge, which will identify you as one of our very own members here at Ice Coach Online. The second perk is that you will receive early access to our YouTube tutorial videos. And the third perk is that you will receive exclusive member access to a video that Lloyd and myself will put out in which we will answer several of your skating related questions.
Now, for people looking to take their skating to the next level, we have our Patreon page. Now, what is our Patreon page and how can you benefit from it? Well, quite simply, some people learn differently to other people and some people like to get feedback on what they're doing. What could be happening is you could be watching one of the videos and thinking, yes, I'm nailing it, yes, I'm doing it, but actually, you're developing a bad habit. And sometimes you need a set of eyes to point you in the right direction, like Jono here. Jono, you're doing the lemon crossovers again. I warned you about that, cut it out. So in this instance, Jono might not even have realized that he's doing something we told him not to do in the tutorial video. So a few pointers from us and he'll be doing it like this.
So feedback can be a huge part in improving your learning process. Check out these testimonials from some of our current members. You can also see them in the description below. So if you don't want to join our channel or Patron, that's totally fine too. We'll still be releasing free content, hopefully helping everyone out there.
Hey Jono, wait there. Let me show you my single axel again. I think I'm nailing it this time.
I'm going to be a while working on that one. I'll see you guys soon.